Good morning, students. Standard 3, Subject Max. Today we are going to take new topic, Unit 4, Money. What is money? Money is a medium of exchange that can be used to pay for goods and services. For example, you go to fruit shop, bought some fruits. Okay, what do you give to shopkeeper? Yes, you give money to the shopkeeper. That is why we say money is a medium of exchange. Today we are going to learn about paises and rupees. Okay, first paises. See the pictures: 1 paise, 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise. Then 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupees. These are coins. The short form of paise is, yes, P. Why? Because the first letter paise is P. So the short form of paise is P. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Next, see rupees. Are you ready? Look at that. What is this? Yes, 10 rupee note. Then 20 rupees. See that. 50 rupees. 100 rupees note. 200 rupees note. 500 rupees note. Finally, 2000 rupees note. These rupees we use in India. In Indian currency we say rupees. Yes. What is the symbol of rupees? Look at the picture. This is the symbol of rupees. Now we recall it. Shown below are the stationery items and the currency notes paid to the shopkeeper. Okay, we have stationery items and also we have what given to shopkeeper. Yes, rupees, currency notes. Write the price of each items. We have to write the price. Okay, the first one. Yes, what is that? Watercolor. How much this? Amount paid 25. See that 20 rupees and 5 rupees note. So we can write it in price column. 20 plus 5 equal to 25 rupees. Okay, this is already done for us. Next one only we have to do this. The next one, yes, that is crayons. What amount paid it? One 10 rupees, one 5 rupees. So we have to take and write 10 plus 5. What is that? Yes, 15 rupees. The second one, what picture it is? Yes, it is pen. So what amount paid? 1 2 rupee, 1 5 rupee. So take and write 2 plus 5 equal to, yes, 7 rupees. Observe the price tags. Put the tick mark for the amount to be paid. Okay, here left side have some pictures, some items is there with price tag, and right side we have, yes, coins is there and rupees is there. We have to pick the correct amount and tick that. Okay children, let's start. Left side we have some items is there with price tag. So right side we have coins is and also rupees is there. So we have to pick the correct amount and take it here. First one, eraser. The amount they given is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. See the price tag? Yes, it is only 1 rupee. So tick 1 rupee. Second one, sharpener. See the price tag? Yes, it is 2 rupees. The coins are 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 10 rupee, 5 rupee. Where is 2 rupees? Yes, it is here. Third one, it is pen. The price tag is 5 rupees. So pick the correct amount is here. Correct. Fourth one, what is this? Yes, watch. The price is 10 rupee. See the prices 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee. Where is the 10 rupee? It is here. Fifth one. Yes, it is teddy. The cost is 20 rupees. See the prices 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. Take the 20 rupees note. The last one. Yes, it is truck. The rupees is 50 rupees. Where is 50 rupees? Correct. The last one is 50 rupees note. Tick there. Then, introduction of 50 rupees currency notes. 50 rupees is equal to 510 rupees. See the picture? Yes, it is green color we have 50 rupees. How many 10 rupees we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 10 rupees equal to 50 rupees. In another way, 50 rupees equal to 1 20 rupees, 2 20 rupees and 1 10 rupees. 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 10 50. So 2 20 rupees and plus 1 10 rupees. Calculate the amount paid. Number of 10 rupees. Number of 1 rupee. Amount paid. See that number of 10 rupees and number of 1 rupees we are going to add and write the answer in amount paid. Let's start. First one. Yes, number of 10 rupees is 4. 10 rupees 4. Yes, that is 40. Number of 1 rupee, that is 8. 40 plus 8, 48. They already written. Second one. Number of 10 rupees, how many? 5. Number of 1 rupee, 6. 50 plus 6? Yes, 56. The last one. Number of 10 rupees is 6. That means 60. Number of 1 rupees is 0. 60 plus 0? Yes, 60. Complete the table for the given amount. See that amount paid, number of 10 rupees, number of 1 rupees. Before we see that number of 10 rupees and number of 1 rupees, we have to add and write the amount paid. But here they given amount paid, we have to split it number of 10 rupees and number of 1 rupees. Let's start to write. Okay. First one, 35. So how many 10 rupees? 30. So 3 10 rupees. How many 1 rupees? 5. 30 plus 5. 5 1 rupee. This is already done for us. Second one only we have to write the answer. Second one, 78. So what is the number? Yes, 70. 7 tens. So write 7. And then 1 rupee. Yes, 70 plus 8. You write 8 1 rupee. Okay, the third one. 89. 80 plus 9. So 8 10 rupees and 9 1 rupee. Comparison of price. Now we are going to compare which is costlier or which is cheaper. Let's start. First one, tick the object which is costlier between the given two. We have to choose costlier things. First one, t-shirts. This one is orange and another one is green color. The prices are 80 rupees, 85. Which is costlier? Yes, 85 is costlier. So tick there. Second one is bag. Pink color bag and blue color bag. Pink color is 93 rupees. Blue color is 90 rupees. Which is costlier? Which amount is big? Yes, 93 is costlier. Tick it now. Now we are going to choose which is cheaper. Tick the object which is cheaper between the given two. Okay, the first one is lunch boxes. First one is 55. Second boxes is 60. Which is cheaper? That amount of value is small, less. Yes, 55. Tick it now. Next one. Blue color watch, red color watch. The prices are 70 rupees and 62 rupees. Which is cheaper? Yes, 62 is cheaper. That is, red color watch is cheaper. Finally, worksheet. Write the answer of all questions.